NaviTrader tools that will show you the turning points in the market. And of course, what you're really after with your trading is to know which side of the market you should be trading on. All right, so let's go ahead and look at some live charts here in just a second. All right, so I want to show you some of the signals we've had today, this morning on the E-mini. That's a sell signal. So initially the market moved down. I run a real-time training, and we took this short trade in the room this morning. And then, of course, at about 10:30 or so, the market made an upside bounce, and currently market's acting like it's probably coming back down again at this point. All right, so here's a move that we had from yesterday. This is an E-mini chart from yesterday, $350 move down. Here's a move on the NASDAQ, $400 move here yesterday. All right, so futures trading, if you're not trading right now, some of the advantages of trading futures are you can make money in any market condition. The U.S. equities markets have moved up for about the last 8 years. All right, so the market's moved up for about the last 8 years. So nothing moves up or down forever, and that's true also on an intraday basis. This morning I'll show you some live charts. The upper left chart is what happened here this morning. This is where my crosshairs are. That was the trade that we took in the room. And then you can see the market made an upside retracement, another sell signal here, buy signal here. And currently you can see it looks like we're consolidating and moving a little bit lower at the moment. In the upper right, you can see the Dow chart. All right, so our charts, you can see, do a great job of showing you the turning points in the market. And I use these charts every day in a room. I also use them in my own trade. Trade my own live accounts every day, and also run a real-time training room. In that room, we do call out live trades. This morning, we had this signal here where we went short and took the trade short. All right, so lots of opportunities every day in these markets. All right, so here at NaviTrader, we've been in this business for 15 years, since 2002. And I've run a real-time training room in the futures arena for over 6 years, and I've got people in the room that have been in the room the entire length of time that the room's been in existence, and we also get a lot of new people in the room all the time as well. All right, so right now the E-mini looks like it's moving a little bit lower. Moved lower early this morning, made an upside move, and currently moving back down again. All right, so the thing that I think is great about futures trading is right here. You can make money in both directions. Market's moving up, you take long trades. Market's moving down, you take short trades. And it's just as easy to go long or short. Here's the Dow chart. This is a number of buy signals. And currently we're just, right now the E-mini's trading sideways. All right, E-mini trading sideways. It moves a little bit lower here. We should see a new red signal line. We don't have that signal line yet. Lower left of your screen is the trade finder. Now let me just mention that all these charts are the Trendicator charts, and everybody that's in our training program has the access to all these tools. And I do my training over a period of months. I don't try to train you in a weekend course. So all of our training here at NaviTrader is done over a period of months. I'm a big believer in repetition is the mother of learning. And my goal for everyone that's in our program is to help you to become successful as quickly as possible. So in a room, we teach some very easy to learn strategies. We use them every day in the room. And you can apply these strategies to any market. You can apply them to the E-mini. You can apply them to the NASDAQ, currency market, whatever you want to trade. All right, so right now on the E-mini chart, you can see what we're getting. We're getting consolidation bars. What that's telling you is the market's right now at kind of an indecision. All right, so if we move below all this consolidation, then we'll likely see a fairly significant move down. If we move above this consolidation, we'll likely see a big move on the upside. All right, so here's a Trendicator chart. Here's a buy signal. Now, one of the great strengths of our charts and indicators is that they will keep you in a trade so that you can let your winners run. Okay, so how many people have heard about letting your winners run, but yet how many people really have a tool that enables them to do that? So here's the Dow. See, we had a buy signal here, 23,031, and we moved up to about 23,116. So just about 100-point move up there on the Dow. All right, so the charts you can see call out the major turning points in the market. And essentially what they're telling you is which way you should be trading. So let's say you were short on the sell signal. Okay, once we turn back to a green signal line, you know that you want to be out of that short position and potentially reversing to a long position Or let's say you went short and you made your profit goal for the day, just get out of your trade, take your profits. Let's take a look at some of the other markets. Here's the NASDAQ. You can see the NASDAQ is right now consolidating. Same thing with the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ breaks down out of that consolidation, expect a move lower. And if it breaks up out of that consolidation, expect a move up. So it's really whichever way you break out of a consolidation. Now, one of the things that's unique about our charts are the consolidation bars. You can see right here, these are the consolidation bars. So whenever you get those bars, at some point the market's going to move up or down out of that consolidation, and that's going to be the likely directions. All right, so one of the things I like to do with my trading is find the key turning points on correlated markets. Okay, so if I know that E-mini and the NASDAQ are correlated, I can use our tools to find those key turning points. If I get both markets turning at the same time, then that's a very strong probability trade. Okay, so these are the trend indicator charts. It's the E-mini. So whatever market you're trading, you want to take the signals, and then whatever your signals are based on the system you're trading, and then gather some statistics, just get the probability of a winning trade, and your average winning trade, your average losing trade, and just run through this expectancy calculation, and you'll be able to determine whether or not you have the odds of success on your side. Okay, here's a sell, here's a sell. Okay, so let's go back to the live charts again. Our charts are unique. So if you're trading a Renko chart, it isn't necessarily the same Renko chart. These are our own NAVA bars, or our own proprietary price bar. And you can see right now we are showing consolidation bars. All right, so that's a consolidation bar, and then that's a consolidation bar. And we'd have to get down to about 2571 to break out of that consolidation. And if we broke up, we would have to get up to about 2575 to break up out of consolidation. All right, so I run a real-time training program. Let me just mention, give you some information about our training program. And our training program lasts over a period of several months' time. And for those people who want to continue in the room, they do have that option. All right, so you have the option to stay in the room and continue. And I've got people in the room that have been in there over 6 years. So I know that we must be doing something quite right, or we wouldn't have people in there that long. All right, so right now the E-mini just trading sideways. We know that if we break up or down out of this sideways formation, then we'll likely see a big move in that direction. All right, so I want to thank everyone for joining us. All right, so everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.